today's top tip is going to be to do with using Argentium silver. If you haven't already used Argentium, definitely get some on your Christmas list because it's amazing. The fusing properties that it has is wonderful, but you do need a special flux to go with it, okay? So what I need to do with this is actually create a thermal barrier on the bits that I do not want to fuse, okay? So if I just show you how we do that. Okay, I'm going to put some of this Argentium flux onto the area that do want to fuse together and then start the heat. Put a lot of heat where you want the fusing to happen. You can see it going white. What you want to look for is that the silver is going to go glossy and you'll see it start to move. The silver will start to run. When you've brought the silver up to the right temperature, you'll see it's going to look glossy, it's going to look like a liquid. With sterling, you would stop at that point, but with Argentium, you just carry on. And I would say once it's glossy, then leave the heat in position and count to 10. Just keep an eye on it. And once you feel like that's finished, that's brilliant, but please don't pick up your piece with tweezers. Leave it to cool before you do anything with it because it's very brittle. And there you go. You can see it's fused. And the bit that wasn't supposed to be fused, I've twisted and turned into this kind of flower organic-like sort of shape. So yeah, have fun with that.